Strategystorming has teamed up with Brainstorming, and they've got some amazing products that we've been working with. It's a strategy thinking creative suite is what it is. And then we're actually taking some of their concepts of their Thinkerboard, and I'll get into that shortly, Thinkerboard, and utilizing it for strategic planning and how to actually build your roadmap and your radar and your flight plan and everything else like that. So it's pretty cool. So what it is it's a series of magnets that are erasable. They're writable. They're white board type magnets that you are able to write on them and then stick them onto the magnetic board as well. So we've got our strategy model, what we call the AMPS model, the audience, method, process, and story. So that goes there. And what it is it's like a brainstorming board. We take the magnets and we actually put them onto the magnetic board as well, which is pretty powerful and pretty cool because you can be creative. You can start with a blank magnets and mover combos, as they call them, and you're able to actually put them in the board. So describe them as you want. So I use that like as a brainstorming board. And as I got into it, it's like this strategic model that the AMPS model actually needs a lot of sort of that tactical stuff. It's tactile and tactical as well. So you're able to actually create those magnets and use it as a brainstorming board. And what they do have is pretty cool. They have templates, so you can actually create them. And then you're actually able to get us. They do have some sort of general, but I want to be very specific and look at, okay, how can we brainstorm for strategy storming, right? And what tools do we actually need for that? So I was able to come up with a series of templates, which actually goes into the process quite nicely. And I'm going to show you how you can actually use these. But there's 4 templates, A, B, C, and D. The first one is just the introduction to what exactly it is, what the model looks like, how you can actually position it, and how all the pieces fit together. And I'll show you the end results too, because we're actually